Welcome to another video. Learning data visualization and gaining insights to various amounts of data in an understandable and coherent way is the most in-demand job nowadays. Companies can easily hire people who are skillful and have actual experience in the relevant field they are looking for. That's why in Acumen we ready professionals for their career advancement and success. Now, why take Power BI or Tableau training? Both Power BI and Tableau are interactive data visualization tools focused on business intelligence. It helps in simplifying the job of representing the raw data in the form of easily understandable and interactive graphs and charts. They enable connectivity with a wide range of data sources like cloud, CSV files, databases, and much more. In Acumen, we are providing you an opportunity to learn data visualization and have a better analysis of your data through these trainings. To learn more about Power BI and Tableau, please visit www.acumef.com for more info or call us for faster communication. Register now and be career ready.